Hi guys, good evening. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is our latest weather analysis from Typhoon 2000 for this Monday to Wednesday, July 25 to 27, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And to give you the very latest weather facts and not fake news, here's the latest graph set that we issue for today, Monday. We have a surface trough moving across Bicol region, Visayas, and Mindanao. This was once a shallow LPA which developed to the east of Mindanao. It's only a surface trough moving across these islands. So expect rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, with some threat of flooding in low-lying areas, just like what happened in southern Cebu. And so far, in other portions of the country, they will be having some good weather with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms with high heat index reaching around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. And outside of PAR, we are monitoring another low pressure area which is developing over the vicinity of Guam and Marianas. This shallow LPA and its trough will bring some thunderstorms across Micronesia. And we have here another surface trough. And here's 92W, which developed over the western Micronesia. And it's now approaching the southern areas of Japan. So this LPA is not expected to develop within the next 24 hours. So it is likely to be absorbed into the passing frontal system located to the northeast of this LPA. And if you take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, there you go. Lots of thunderstorms again affecting the Philippine Islands. And here's the 92W approaching southern Japan with much of its convection or rain bands located to the south. This is the trough of that LPA. And we have another one here in the vicinity of Guam, which we are going to observe in the coming days for possible development into an active LPA and likely to become 93W. And if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation, this is valid beginning at 2 p.m. until 7 this evening. There's still lots of thunderstorm activity all throughout the archipelago, with some areas having a threat of flooding, particularly what happened over southern Cebu and also over Mindanao and northern Luzon, including the western sections of central Luzon, will have some heavy thunderstorms as of this time. Let's take a look now at the latest rain forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. By tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, again, a wide swath of thunderstorm activity will be expected all throughout the country, becoming more severe over Luzon. And on Wednesday afternoon, again, thunderstorms will persist, and also through Thursday afternoon. So that will be the forecast for the next 3 days. So this is a common recurrence, these thunderstorms, because we are on the rainy season. And in fact, we are on a La Niña phenomenon. So that's the reason why these thunderstorms are very much active even without the monsoon and tropical cyclone activity. Here's the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. As you can see, much of the thunderstorm activity are concentrated across northern and central Luzon and some spotty sections of Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao. And if we take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days, we have here the LPA, the shallow LPA over Guam. And here's the surface trough. It's no longer a low pressure area since it became an open isobar. So it's not closed, meaning it's not circular. Okay, when it's circular, you can say it as a low pressure system. And on Tuesday afternoon, we could see here the LPA moving towards the west-northwest of Guam. And the Philippine Islands will remain calm with variable winds, with light winds from the south and southwest over Mimaropa and Visayas, including Mindanao. And on Wednesday afternoon, we have here the low pressure area remaining quasi-stationary, and yet another developing large low pressure is expected to form over the Philippine Sea by Wednesday afternoon. we will be having some light southwest monsoon over the West Philippine Sea, Mimaropa, and Western Visayas. So expect some light winds from the southwest. And on Thursday afternoon, the LPA over the Philippine Sea remains disorganized and broad. So this is a feature of a monsoon depression, not yet a tropical depression, since the winds are much stronger along its periphery, not close to the center. And here's the other LPA, which will be elongated during Thursday, July 28. And the light southwest monsoon will continue to affect Mimaropa and Visayas, including Bicol region, come Thursday afternoon. So that's the wind forecast from the European model. Now let's take a look at the latest probability ENSO forecast for this mid-July. And as you can see, the forecast for La Niña remains. Right now we are here at 65% probability, so it's still on a La Niña mode. And for the next few months, this is August, September, October, then September, October, November, until October, November, December time frame, La Niña will remain at a weak to medium levels. So expect more rainfall across the Philippine Islands. And by Christmas time, November, December, January, it will start to weaken until January, February, March, where the La Niña is no longer there. And beginning of February, March until May, it will be back to neutral conditions. Okay, so right now we are still on the La Niña trend, which is expected to increase a little bit up to almost 70% by October, November, December, and will slowly weaken until the neutral condition sets in around January, February, March. So we could expect more rainfall across the Philippine Islands above average. So watch out for that. Here's the multi-model probability forecast for the rainfall in our area, like the Philippines. So this is for the month of August, September, October 2022. This is from the International Research of Climate and the Society of the University of Columbia. So for the month of August, September, October, Mindanao and Southern Visayas will have above average or above normal rainfall, which is about 50% normal, above normal. Okay, so watch out for more rainfall over the island of Mindanao. And when we reach the month of September, October, November, the Philippine Islands will remain at above normal precipitation. So meaning the rainfall will be above the normal average. Okay, so we could expect more flooding over the low-lying areas of our country. And when we reach October, November, December, the probability of more rainfall again has increased to about 70% in some areas of the Philippine Islands between October, November, December 2022. And on the last probability forecast of the precipitation for the Philippines from November, December to January 2023, it remains at more than 60 to 70% across the Philippine Islands. This is due to the ongoing La Niña phenomenon. So folks, let's be prepared this last quarter of the year for possible low pressure areas, tropical cyclones, and more rainfall in store because of the effects of the ongoing La Niña phenomenon. Okay, so again, that's the latest for this Monday to Wednesday, and we'll return on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, and at our Facebook page, MrTyphoon.com, or Facebook.com/MrTyphoon for the latest information on the weather. Again, see you again on Wednesday. Have a great day.